Wow, they are so aggressive now. Okay. So now, let's do this and let's make pizza. First step. Okay, Joby. Okay. Okay, get the pizza tray and get the flour. Get your pizza tray and your flour and pour a little bit on the pizza tray. Not more. Ilabas na ang dough. Okay, get the dough.
Ito yung dough mo.
Okay. Okay, just put on the top of the floor lang ha, please. Okay, just like Kuya Joby. Like that. Okay, everybody. Kuya Joby. O, see? The another floor. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag niyong i-bruise lahat ng okay. Another Joby, guys, kids. O, tingnan niyo si Kuya Joby. Then, next step. Okay, press the dough. And press. Look, Kuya Joby, no? Look, Kuya Joby. Diba? Ayan, to flatten the dough. Press.
Flatten. Very good.
Okay. Tignan niyo, kids. Si Kuya Joby, no? Nakabuo na siya, oh. Bilog na yung kanyang dough.
I-flat mo. Yan.
Mami's guardian, sobrang effective niya na.
Hard ka.
Again, put a leaf on the edge of the dough. Use your fingers. Kids, come on.
Parang empanada yung
Yan, just like Kuya Joby. Tingnan niyo, kids, yung gawa ni oh, get the dough, get your dough. And lift the dough and stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch.
Very good. Okay. Yeah, continue.
Pizza is the dough.
Sukat mo na.
So,
Kasi
stretch
kanya
nyo
ng
lang,
friend.
kids.
Oh, kulang pa.
Nakita mo yung Joby, stretch na guys. So, the next instruction.
Don't touch.
On the top of the screen, here go. Okay, just like yung Joby, sa pizza tray.
Pantay lang. Ganyan.
Huwag i-press na po. Do not press it na.
Huwag mo na hawakan na.
Of the shape of the pizza. Next step. So yan na, tusok-tusokin lang yung ating pizza dough. Okay. Spread it all over on your pizza dough. Use all the pizza sauce. With and regular motion. Put all your pizza sauce on the top of the dough.
Yung kamay mo, malalagyan yung kamay mo. Kulang. Sakto na.
So, dapat to lahat use ang ating pizza sauce. You need to
Anong pandesal? Spread mo lahat yan.
spread it all over. A circular motion.
Magaling lang.
That's nice.
Let's make a pizza. I love pizza.
Ilagay na lahat ng cheese, guys, sa pizza. Ilagay na lahat ng cheese. And
Salami. Salami. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Cheese. Oh, yeah. Let's make a pizza, you and me.
Okay, put the pineapple siya on
Lagay
the
mo.
top of the pizza.
Lagay mo.
Just
Okay lang,
like,
okay lang, okay lang.
Cheers.
Naila.
Okay, kids, tignan naman yung joking dahil, ay kids. Kailangan mo ba iwalay yung paglagay na... Are you ready for the next step, kids? We are ready. So now, all the blacks or pink spaces on your pizza. Okay? Fill in all the blanks of the spaces on the pizza. Okay, come on.
Salami,
Fill in nyo lang yung mga blanks.
mushrooms,
That's great.
cheese. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Let's make a pizza.
We're almost... Okay, so why? Para mag-close po ang ating pizza pag niluto. So dapat lahat ng part ng pizza nyo ay malalagay nyo ng cheese to close po para pag naluto, hindi mapabalsa, hindi siya maging mahiwalay. Okay, that's the first one. Purpose,
James, papasok na. Meron na, meron. Marco!
okay, so once naman na nalagyan